Hey guys, Derek here from Modern Castle. The latest robot from iRobot, the Combo J7 Plus, is not only a vacuum but a mop as well. Furthermore, it can vacuum and mop at the same time thanks to the retractable mop pad. In our test, it had solid cleaning performance with a 96.4% debris removal rate and has an ever-improving obstacle avoidance. In addition, the auto empty charging station reduces overall maintenance, ensuring you spend less time with your hands on the device. At Modern Castle, we use 9 different performance tests to measure the Roomba Combo J7 Plus's cleaning performance, navigational efficiency, and overall usability. First up, our cleaning tests. To test the cleaning capabilities of the Combo J7 Plus, we place 4 different debris types on 3 different floor types. We then run the vacuum on max suction and measure the amount of the debris that was removed by weight. The Roomba Combo J7 Plus was able to remove 96.4% of all debris across all floor types. This score just about matches the average we've measured across all of our robot vacuum tests to date, which comes in at a 96.3% overall debris removal. Hardwood cleaning performance was fantastic. It removed the majority of the debris, only missing a few pieces of rice, kitty litter, and sugar. Low pile carpet and high pile carpet was where the Combo J7 Plus struggled the most. Historically, across all robot vacuums we've tested, low pile carpet is an area where robot vacuums in general really struggle. On average, we have measured a 94.5% debris removal rate. While this performance is still excellent, it isn't as perfect as we've seen in other Roomba models. Here's a quick comparison of the Roomba Combo J7 Plus versus other flagship Roomba models on the market. To test the mopping performance of the Roomba Combo J7 Plus, we let it perform multiple cleaning runs in our office and studio space. After, we checked the mop pads to see how much dirt has built up over time. Mopping performance was great for the Combo J7 Plus. There was a good amount of dirt built up on the mop pads after multiple cleaning runs. The mop on the Roomba Combo J7 Plus has the helpful ability to lift its mop pad away so it can vacuum carpet or rugs without getting them wet. We've tested other robot vacuum and mop combos that can lift the mop pad a few millimeters. Unlike those robot vacuums, the combo lifts the mop pad and places it on top of the device, removing the mop pad completely from the floor. For our long hair test, we place long strands of hair in the direct cleaning path of the Roomba Combo J7 Plus and run the robot over it. After it finishes cleaning, we check the floor for remaining hair and the device itself for hair that has tangled. We're always looking for ways to improve and expand on our testing methods to bring more relevant and important information to our readers. In addition to changing the type of hair we are using, we have also recently updated our methods to measure the amount of hair remaining on the floor and tangled in the robot itself. However, the amount of hair we use for the test is still something we're trying to determine. With the Roomba Combo J7 Plus, we use multiple amounts of hair, 1.0, 0.3, and 0.1 grams. Across all of our hair tests with both of the original hair we tested and with the new blue hair, we found the Roomba Combo J7 Plus struggled keeping hair from tangling. While the brush rolls did okay, the majority of the hair would tangle around the edge sweeping brush. We started testing with 1.0 grams and we felt like that was an unrealistic amount of hair, thinking that was possible culprit for the poor performance. But after testing progressively less and less hair, we found the Combo J7 Plus really struggled with long hair at every level. If you, your partner, or your pet have long hair lying around, you'll want to make sure to clean out the device tangles often. Our pet hair test checks how well the Roomba Combo J7 Plus can clean pet hair from high pile carpet. We place 1.0 grams of pet hair and rub it into the fibers of the carpet. We then let the Combo J7 Plus complete 2 cleaning cycles on the carpet and measure how much of the hair remains after it's finished. Pet hair performance for the Combo J7 Plus is excellent. The majority of the fur was removed from the carpet. While a small amount remained in the carpet, this level of performance is solid enough to handle pet hair with minimal help from the user. To see how well the Roomba Combo J7 Plus can avoid obstacles, we placed 4 objects in the cleaning area. We then ran the robot in this area, watching to see how well it avoided objects while cleaning. Overall obstacle avoidance performance was very good, but not amazing. It was able to avoid most of the objects we placed in its path. However, it failed to recognize and avoid the mug. Instead, the combo pushed the mug out of its path while it continued to clean. The Roomba uses an RGB camera to recognize and avoid objects. With software updates, this technology could be improved to recognize more objects. In addition, you can toggle a setting that will allow the robot to take pictures of objects it runs into, send a picture to you, and let you identify it to help improve the robot's recognition capabilities. Our navigation test checks how well the Roomba Combo J7 Plus is able to navigate floors without getting stuck. We have the robot vacuum run multiple times in our office and studio space and check to see if it 1. Returned to the base, 2. Fully cleaned the space, and 3. Didn't get stuck. Navigational performance was very good for the Combo J7 Plus. In most cases, it was able to clean the full space and return to base successfully. There were 2 occurrences where it got stuck, once on a table leg and another time on a strap. However, our office space tends to be cluttered with film equipment, other devices we're testing, and furniture. Suffice to say, it's a minefield for robot vacuums. In addition, we tested the J7 Plus in low light conditions. Previously, the Roomba J7 Plus we found really struggled cleaning the full space in low light. In the case of the Combo J7 Plus, we found it cleaned more of the space than its predecessor, but wasn't able to find its way back to the dock in the end. An improvement overall, but still not perfect. Overall, I would say this level of performance is still good, almost excellent, and will be a good fit for most normal homes. Our cleaning speed test showed the Roomba Combo J7 Plus was able to clean our 1,000 square foot office space within 70 to 80 minutes. This speed is a little worse than the average compared to other robot vacuums we test. On average, robot vacuums are able to clean our space in 50 to 60 minutes. The Roomba Combo J7 Plus is a little longer, but not enough to warrant concern. Usability for the Roomba Combo J7 Plus is a bit of a mixed bag. In some ways, it has a lot of features that greatly improve the user experience. However, there are some key ways it's lagging behind other robot vacuums. Setup is fairly easy for a single person to complete and takes 5 to 10 minutes, not including charging time. Setup is simple, however, there are a few steps you need to take due to how the product comes out of the box. With everything unpacked, you'll need to attach a mop pad to the Combo J7 Plus and fill the water tank. From there, your robot vacuum is ready to start cleaning, but iRobot does recommend fully charging the device before starting. Regarding controls, there is a single button located on top of the device that can start, pause, or resume a cleaning cycle. Additionally, if you hold the button down, it can send the robot home. Most of the control of the device is accessed through the iRobot Home app. With it, you can manage maps, set up schedules, adjust settings, and more. All of these features can greatly improve usability, making the device more hands-off. In addition, the app will also try to intelligently recommend cleaning sessions based on external data. It will recommend them via the app notification, and you can choose to proceed or not. Maintenance is where the Roomba Combo J7 Plus can lack compared to the latest and greatest robot vacuums on the market. That said, it still offers features which some of the more basic robot vacuums lack. The home-based charging station is able to automatically empty the dustbin for you. This is a great addition to usability, leaving you only to replace the dust bag in the base as it gets full. Beyond charging and emptying the dustbin, the base can't do anything else. Some robot vacuums have bases that can wash and dry mop pads, as well as fill the internal water tanks. However, the Combo J7 Plus base lacks this functionality. It isn't a deal breaker, maintenance is still greatly improved by the base, but it is worth noting for a robot vacuum at this price level. To test the noise level of the Roomba Combo J7 Plus, we let it run on each mode and measure the level of noise created by the device. We use a sound meter to measure from about 3 feet away for 30 seconds. Here are the results. We found the J7 Plus to have a noise level of 69.3 decibels while cleaning and a peak of 85.4 decibels while self-emptying. This is about average when compared to other robot vacuums we've tested and can be loud enough to disrupt conversation. So, is the Roomba Combo J7 Plus a good choice for you? While it may be lacking some of the latest and greatest features we have seen on the market, it still has a lot going for it. It had fantastic results in our cleaning test with 96.4% debris removal and a slew of helpful usability features. Additionally, the retractable mop ensures none of your carpets will get wet from the robot itself. With obstacle avoidance, app connectivity, great pet hair management, this Roomba still remains a great choice for many homes. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Comments, questions, please drop us a note down below. If you're interested in buying the Roomba Combo J7 Plus, we've got a link in the description. For more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us over at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching.